What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video of Top Dogs Garage. Today we're going to be installing the Harmonic Balancer on the Coyote Swap motor. And so main reason I made this video is because I had a hard time finding the right tool that was the right length to install that balancer. So I found it. I'll share that link with you here. It'll be below in the description via Amazon link or something like that. So that's where I found it. But I was buying and selling like crazy, just buying and returning parts that were all saying they'd fit and they'd work and they weren't working. So I'll link that below. But yeah, we're gonna get into the Harmonic Balancer install. Real straightforward when you have the right tools to do the right job. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share this information, and we're gonna see you in the next video. like I get worried just how tight it is.